have the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse in modular arithmetic. So, recall muna natin yung meaning ng additive inverse. So, additive inverse of a number is defined as the value which on adding with the original number results in zero value. So, halimbawa, 4 plus negative 4 equals 0. So, the two numbers are the additive inverse of each other when they are equal to 0. So, yung 4 is the inverse of negative 4 and negative 4 is the inverse of 4. So, yung idea nito or yung concept nito is ma-apply natin sa modular arithmetic. So, sa modular arithmetic, ang additive inverse pa rin ng dalawang numbers is equal to 0 modulo n. So, we use the formula a plus b is congruent to 0 mod n. Where yung sum ng a and b na kapag dinivide sa n, ang magiging remainder dapat is 0. So, let's have an example. Find the additive inverse of 9 in modulo 22 arithmetic. So, 9 plus the additive inverse ng 9 is congruent to 0 modulo 22. So, ano yung kailangan mong i-add sa 9 na kapag dinivide sa 22? Ang magiging remainder is 0. So, yun yung idea or concept natin. So, we have 13. So, one of the rules when you are thinking the additive inverse is it must be smaller than the modulus. Then, another rule is syempre, dapat ay whole number. So, ang possible na additive inverse ay 0 from n minus 1. So, ang sagot natin is 0 is 22 is congruent to 0 mod 22. Therefore, the additive inverse of 9 is 13 in modulo 22 arithmetic. So, punta na tayo sa multiplicative inverse in modular arithmetic. So, define muna natin ang meaning ng multiplicative inverse. So, two numbers are multiplicative inverses if their product equals 1, such that x times 1 over x equals 1. Kumbaga, ang multiplicative inverse ng isang number ay ang reciprocal nito. So, halimbawa, 3 times 1 over 3 or 1/3 equals 1. So, 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1/3 and 1/3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3. So, same lang din ng concept where when we apply this in modular arithmetic. So, since this is equal to 1, ang magiging remainder natin is 1. We can use the formula a times b is congruent to 1 modulo n. Where yung product ng a and b, kapag dinivide sa n, ang magiging remainder dapat is 1. So, let's have an example. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 in modulo 9 arithmetic. So, 2 times the additive inverse ng 2 is congruent to 1 modulo 9. So, what is the value of 2b divided by 9 gives a remainder of 1? So, the answer is 5. 2 times 5 is congruent to 1 modulo 9 or 10. So, therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 2 is 5 in modulo 9 arithmetic. Thank you.